welcome to Dad Jasko with the Blues here. I got my friend Carl Franklin here.
Hey.
A local legend here in New London. When I first opened up in New London, I said Carl was the guy to meet. He's got his hands in a lot of different things. He's got a recording studio, PWAP Studios. So he's an unbelievable audio engineer. You got what? What is the definition of a Renaissance man?
Just probably somebody who doesn't know what they want to be when they grow up.
You might have his picture there when you Google Renaissance man.
Yeah, I love food. I love music. I love software. I like the Keto.
Yeah. Carl started a Keto Fest here in London, and the Keto diet was really helpful to Carl.
Yeah, and a lot of my friends too. I know a lot of people who've lost over 100 pounds and reversed diabetes and all sorts of medical conditions, depression being one of them, inflammation, fatty liver disease, high blood pressure. The list goes on and on.
He's a result of it. Just turned his health around. Diabetes.
Yep.
Limited your diabetes?
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's really a measure of blood sugar, average blood sugar, and mine is completely normal.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So we're gonna do like a Pizzaiola. Right, Metal? Pizzaiola? So we're gonna put gotta do a chopped meat.
Like most good recipes, it starts with butter.
Butter and garlic.
Butter and garlic, yeah.
And onions are good, right, Carl?
Yeah, onions in moderation are good.
Right,
they have a little bit of sugar, but you know, a lot of flavor.
We're just gonna put a few.
Yeah, that sounds good. I love a good onion.
And then we're gonna slice these mushrooms. We're going this way. A little something different.
Oh, nice. Nice bite.
Yeah. Really, texture is everything, you know.
Right.
How you cut it, the shape, like a pasta, for example. You know, it's all made with the same dough and everything, but it seems like every pasta tastes different. But we're not messing with pasta, right, Carl?
Yeah, I don't eat too much pasta, but I make my own from eggs and egg whites and other stuff.
Yeah, I mean, Carl's developed a recipe for some killer pasta. It tastes just like egg noodles.
Yeah.
We're just going to let this, I'm going to season with this a little salt and pepper. Okay.
Sorry, Carl.
Okay, Glenn, I'm going to cover this up for just a minute and we'll be right back. Should be like 2 minutes. All right. Just about there, right, Carl?
It smells fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, and then
garlic, mushrooms, onions.
Then I'm gonna go some butter. Carl, best to have salt and pepper.
Yes, sir.
Normally I do a ribeye for Carl.
Yeah.
Like the extra fat. But I have some tenderloin tips. Pounded those out thin.
Yeah. No, the perfect amount of fat because you got the butter in there. So if
Yep.
you got a lean meat like tenderloin, you want to get the extra fat, you add butter.
So we're doing extra. We're gonna do some good amount of cheese. That Carl?
Absolutely.
So Carl, you want me to go light on the onions?
No, that's all right. Do what you would normally eat.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Look at all that fond on the bottom there. It's so good.
You know what? We might have to use that, Carl. I don't know.
Yeah, deglaze that. It's got a lot of flavor.
Then I put a little bit of a marinara of the cucina.
Oh yeah.
Might hit it with just a little bit here, Carl.
Yeah, there you go.
We won't get the, some of the char, but we'll get the flavor off the top.
Yep.
Okay? So provolone.
Provolone.
You can put even some ricotta if you want to put some ricotta.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. I got on blast on the broiler. You want to cook it fast because that tenderloin's already cooked.
Right.
So I say about 1 minute, 30 seconds. Glenn will be right back. Almost. Just give me 10 more seconds. Woo. Wait till you see I'm going to finish it off, Carl.
All right, I'm waiting with fork and knife in hand, my friend.
He got his weapons.
Yeah.
Okay, Carl, watch.
Hold on, I'm watching.
Hold on.
Got more butter. Oh,
Don't get over exuberant on us now.
Oh, yeah, it's too late.
But one of the things I forgot, I can't believe it, a little bit of roasted red pepper.
Red peppers.
Well, okay.
Look at that sauce thickening up right there. Oh, man. It's hard to believe that's legal.
We wanna. I kind of want to just let that sauce reduce down.
Exactly. So you're gonna plate everything with the sauce and then let that sauce reduce. Great. Look how thick it is. And you didn't add any thickener, like no
That's
starch,
how in
no flour.
Europe they don't use a lot of flour.
Yeah, they just butter.
They use butter, tighten it right up.
Yep.
There's only one thing this calls for. More green onions.
More flavor.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Sauce on the bottom, so you don't hide the food. There it is. Oh my God.
Okay, this is Carl's keto. The two keto dudes. Steak Pizzaiola.
Is this going on the menu?
Yeah.
Oh.
When Carl's in town, hell yeah.
All right, here we go.
But we'll probably go with a ribeye, Carl.
Probably with the ribeye, yeah. All right, I got some mushroom, I got some onion, some pepper, some cheese, and some steak, some sauce. Here we go.
I'm gonna try one of these mushrooms. What do you think, Carl?
Oh, it's a big one, Elizabeth. Oh, that's so good. Look at that rich sauce. How rich that is.
You made the call, Carl. You said deglaze that pan.
Yeah, that's right, that wine.
All natural flavor.
It's great.
Okay? Not one bit of veal stock.
No, it's just so
A little
good.
bit of marinara. White wine. That's the beauty when natural food comes together. Natural flavors. You concentrate them down. You got an explosion of flavor. Right, Carl?
Absolutely.
Oh. Yeah.
So good. Thank you, sir.
man, Carl. We're going to do it here because you know what? There's a lot of people out there can benefit from the keto. I've been going up on YouTube and seeing some nice recipes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to really start working it because, you know, I'm already feeling the benefit a little bit. My breathing's gotten better.
Oh, great.
Been about almost 3 weeks.
Yeah, man.
I'm probably 95%, you know, I haven't had any bread.
Wow.
Just a little bit of rice, a little bit of potato.
Very good, Jack.
And really, I mean, I feel feeling better.
That's so good. I'm so glad to hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jack's Go With The Blues here. Beautiful downtown to London. Glenn Peltier on camera. Pelletier. Man, you know what?
It's okay.
Glenn, I'm just a moron when it comes to pronouncing. Because we had a friend, George Pelletier, when I was growing up. But Glenn on camera. And Paula should be here soon because
She got to do the dishes.
we're making one more. But you know, if you can like us, share it on your share ours. Maybe put it on your Facebook page. Turn your friends onto it. We're all grassroots. Had no major media, and it's spreading like wildfire. We last month, a month ago, 28 days, 30 days, had 2.5 million minutes watched.
Wow.
And really, that means so much. You're getting such great feedback. You know, people we're touching people's lives like I never envisioned we would. And you know, love you out there. Cowboy Kent Rollins gave me a major shout out on his page. I can't thank you enough, Kent Rollins. You got to check him out. He's a fantastic country cook up there in Oklahoma, and just one heck of a good guy, you know. And but we all stick together, you know, teaching the world to cook. Peace.